Hello, welcome to another one of my unplanned and unscripted unboxing videos. And today we are unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. Yeah, I know right now might not be the best time to buy an Apple Watch Series 7 because, the Apple Watch Series 8 and the rumored Apple Watch Pro is coming in just under a month. But it's like $100 off at Costco. It got discounted to $260, I believe, which is even cheaper than the Apple Watch SE. So I just can't miss out on that deal. So yeah, let's just get right into the unboxing. Okay, so right now I use a ancient, yeah, you can tell by its terrible battery life, an ancient Apple Watch Series 3 I purchased back in April of 2018. And it's getting old. It still works fine, but it's just missing out on a lot of the features and it's just getting old. Surprisingly, Apple still officially sells it brand new on their website, even though it's unsupported by watchOS 9, which is kind of ridiculous, especially considering that Apple's still selling it for $200. But yeah, it's getting a bit old, and that's why I want to upgrade. I was not planning on upgrading, but yeah, the Costco deal, I just can't miss it. This is the first time I've unboxed an Apple Watch in over 4 years, actually almost 5 years. So I have no idea how to unbox this. They changed the packaging design. It has these weird pull tabs. I have no idea how to open it, but as you can see, I got the Apple Watch Series 7. It's the green one. It's the 45mm case. Green is not my ideal color, but the midnight one is for some reason $50 more expensive than the green one. Even though it's sort of the same watch, it's just a different color. But Costco sometimes is just weird. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay. Huh. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, it has a really weird design. It's almost like a piece of art. This is actually really nice packaging. Just shows Apple's attention to detail. We'll leave it aside. Haven't boxed a watch since Apple Watch Series 3, and they actually packaged the watch itself and the band separately now, which is new to me. I think Apple's been doing it since the Apple Watch Series 4 in 2018, but again, the last Apple Watch and the only one I've unboxed so far is the Apple Watch Series 3, so this is still novel and weird to me. Anyways, let's do the band first. The band is also green, which matches the watch's green color. So I guess you just pull this pull tab. I bought my Apple Watch Series 3 back when Apple's still using plastic wraps to package their boxes. I believe you just open it like an AirTag box. Oh, yes. Okay. Useless piece of paper. Okay. Apple Watch. Okay, I already know how to put on band. Oh, so they do give you a large band by default, but it still includes a small band, which is usual and typical for Apple. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use a small size band, since that's the one I have on right now. This green color is pretty weird, but it actually doesn't look so bad. Not bad. Oh. I'm gonna peel that off. It's kind of weird seeing like how flat this band is, because after using my band for almost 5 years, it has just become curved permanently. So it's kind of weird to see an Apple Watch band that's still flat, if you know what I mean. Anyways, let's leave this box to the side since, you know, it's just a band. Now let's get to the watch, which is the star of the show, I guess. So because we already unboxed the band, I assume that only the watch is inside this box. Again, those pull tabs. Ooh, this one's actually made out of like a weird paper. The last one was clear. This one's not. Oh yeah, it has paper. You can hear it rip. I heard that for the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Apple Watch Pro this September, the peeling off the tape on the packaging would actually permanently damage it. So I guess this is maybe the last generation of Apple Watches where we can have a clean box. Ooh. They even color match the cardboard sleeve, which is really nice. Okay. Cable, I already have that, but I'd assume that it's USB-C instead of USB-A. Apple Watch, mandatory legal declarations. Okay. Oh, I do know how to set up an Apple Watch. Anyways, let's leave this to the side and get to the star of this video, the Apple Watch itself. I might actually start to like this green color. This certainly is way larger than my current watch. It's the 45mm one. I currently have the 38mm one, so it'll certainly be a big size jump for me. I don't want to get fingerprints all over it, but... Ooh, fancy. Well, it's actually like a dark green. I would say it's actually similar to the midnight green of the iPhone 11 Pro. Wow. They really added some new sensors compared to the Series 3. Yes, it's just way more advanced. I mean, there's a 4-generation gap between them. Yeah. It really is way bigger. Anyways, let's put the band on the watch. It used to be attached to the watch out of the factory before the Series 4, but now you have to attach it yourself. Does it have any juice? Okay, apparently it does not, so I'll charge it for a bit, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'll certainly enjoy my long overdue upgrade. Thank you guys so much for watching. More content coming soon about iOS 16 and maybe the Apple event next month. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech content. There'll be higher quality than this one, I promise. And bye.